What makes your world go round? We are driven by the strength of steel as we strive to achieve excellence. Altona is celebrating its 100-year anniversary while continuing to be recognized as one of the world's best steel casting and machining companies. Located in Blumenau, Santa Catarina, Brazil, Altona's industrial park is installed in a 120,000 square meter area, 35,000 of which is built area, and provides a total production capacity of 1,250 tons of steel per month. Altona's plant consists of two production lines, the Custom Products Unit and the Repetitive Products Unit. The molding area comprises 4 lines, which produce parts between 10 kilograms and 10 tons. These production lines include a carousel unit, a fast loop unit, a special alloy unit, and a custom parts unit. Altona's team of certified professionals implements various forms of non-destructive testing during processes, including visual, ultrasound, radiography, magnetic particle, penetrating liquid, and hydrostatic testing. Different technologies, such as photogrammetry, scanners, and 3D measuring arms, are used to inspect part dimensions. The machining sector is equipped with more than 40 machines, including conventional and CNC horizontal and vertical lathes, machining centers, conventional and CNC boring machines, and milling machines. Altona's steel parts are designed for application in a wide range of industrial sectors. We can be found in agriculture, in power generation, along the tracks that connect us. We are part of infrastructure, mining, on our oceans. In total, Altona serves more than 17 different market segments, contributing to projects that improve the lives of millions of people. To better serve the international market, Altona today has commercial subsidiaries located in Germany and the United States. The consistent level of development seen on the marketplace encourages us to seek out new ideas and production methods in order to best serve our international customers. Altona currently uses well-established work methodologies, such as Lean Six Sigma, Agile, and Kaizen. Our engineering department relies on software such as Solid Edge, NX, and Magma Soft. Tools and models, as well as the wooden packaging used by Altona, are designed and produced by the company itself and are customized according to specific needs for each project, ensuring that Altona's renowned quality is provided throughout all process stages. Altona consistently implements new developments at its industrial park, making investments that add value to the production chain, optimizing processes, and ensuring that the company stays ahead of demands and remains well-positioned within the global value chain. Altona's production processes adhere to the 3 pillars of ESG, environmental, social, and governance, helping to secure a prosperous future for all. Altona has received dozens of international certifications for both process and product quality and its responsible management practices. The company's performance indicators are aligned with the United Nations Global Compact. With a focus on building teams that are well prepared for global operations, Altona constantly invests in its people, placing value in employees through means of commemorative events, training programs, leadership training, and scholarship opportunities. The benefits offered to Altona's employees include a company library, which encourages the development of reading habits and provides opportunities for leisure, a cafeteria offering foods that are subject to quality monitoring from nutritionists, an on-site clinic offering medical support and developing preventive ergonomic designs, a cultural sports venue, the AACA, among other benefits such as health and dental insurance. The company vision, established in 1924 by Altona's founder, German engineer Paul Werner, still stands today as a legacy built on solid values and an entrepreneurial spirit. Altona is reaching the 100-year mark as a modern and highly advanced company. The company is prepared for continued success and look forward to being part of an increasingly innovative and sustainable future.